Hi friends, in this session we will discuss the preparation strategy for CFA Level 1's Quant subject. Now this subject is among the most scoring subjects in the CFA Level 1's whole curriculum and also takes very less time to prepare. So even if you see 11 chapters here, most of the chapters are very short, 2-3 page chapters, and mainly you have discussion related to the time value of money and the statistics, which is easy to consume and digest. Now here, I get this specific query a lot from the students who are planning to pursue CFA, like how much mathematics is there in the CFA curriculum. So my simple answer, we don't have any pure or fundamental mathematics in CFA. We have mainly the application side of mathematics in the form of statistics. And this is the subject which will provide you the most of these statistics or mathematical concepts. And how much mathematics is required here to understand the subject? Simple, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, exponential and log normal. That's it. This much mathematics is more than enough to understand this subject. Now, because this is a statistics subject, you will see a lot of formulas. Now, if you are very friendly with the mathematics in general, then you are not going to face any friction in this subject. But if you are not very friendly with the mathematics, general mathematics, then you will face some friction. But with the patience and if you maintain the confidence, you will be able to get the grab of these concepts. As I said, the concepts which are here requires fundamental mathematics, not very advanced mathematics. And as I said, like a lot of formulas are here. So you need to understand those formulas. Don't try to mug up those formulas. If you mug up those formulas, you will be able to do good in the examination. You're not going to face problem in the exam, but you will face a lot of problem in the preparation of rest of the curriculum as well as in CFA level 2. If you understand formulas, then you will get the sense like why the formula is structured in certain manner, what that formula is saying. This will help you a lot in preparation of rest of the subjects as well as in the CFA level 2 or also in CFA level 3. So this is my recommendation. Don't try to mug up the formulas. From exam perspective, it will work, but from the preparation perspective of the rest of the subject and the level 2, it won't work. Try to understand the formula. Understanding formula is easy, not difficult, because formulas are very small, not very lengthy formulas. There are few exceptions, like for example, the standard deviation of the two asset portfolio. The formula is very lengthy, but again, if you understand the formula, you know how the formula is designed. That formula is again easy to digest and easy to consume. Also, there are other formulas similar to this. Some are not testable in the examination. If you focus on the learning objective, you will understand which formulas are not testable and which formulas are testable. Now here, if you are starting your preparation, then my recommendation is to start with this subject. If you don't want to finish whole subject in the beginning itself, then you must prepare first 5 chapters in the beginning. With the exception, this is the exception, don't prepare time value of money in the finance in the beginning itself. You skip this chapter and move on to the next chapter. For example, you start with the chapter number 1, then 3, 5, 4 and 5. Prepare these 4 chapters and then start your remaining preparation, because subjects like the portfolio management, fixed income, derivative analysis, all the subjects are directly dependent on mathematics discussed here. So without understanding the statistics part or the mathematics part, which is covered in these 4 chapters, you will always face problem in the remaining chapters, remaining subjects. So make sure you understand the first 5, with the exception of time value of money in finance. So why I'm excluding this time value of money in finance, I will specifically tell you in the detailed discussion of the time value of money in finance. One more thing, first 5 chapters will be available on the YouTube for free, so anyone can watch those discussions or the videos on the first 5 chapters. Rest of the chapters will be the part of the course material. Now here, when we will discuss the time value of money in finance, I will specifically tell you which part of this time value of money or which concept of the time value of money chapter to prepare after which chapter. Okay, so I will specifically tell you, okay, before this chapter or after this chapter. Now here in time value of money in finance, we have concept like the dividend discount model, the valuation of preferred share, bond valuation and everything. Now, if you are very new to finance and don't understand all these concepts, like say what is bond, how bond works, how preferred stock works, equity works, and everything, you will face some problem in this area. But if you are not new to finance, you understand most of the concepts in finance, but you are preparing for CFA, then you can prepare this chapter. No problem with that. But if you are very new to finance, then avoid this chapter. Now, how to prepare, the basic general preparation strategy. And this particular subject is the easiest to guide. Okay, now considering like 2 scenarios, you are going by the self study, or you are doing the self study, or you are taking the video courses. So if you are doing or taking video courses, then the strategy is very simple. Watch video, read from notes, solve some questions. Now here, in solve some questions, don't solve 100 questions for every chapter. 20-25 questions are more than enough to get the fundamentals or the conceptual clarity of every chapter here. My recommendation is don't go for CFA's EOC chapters, the end of the chapter, end of the chapter discussion questions, EOC questions, or portal questions. Don't directly go there. Use some third party question bank, solve some questions, get the conceptual clarity, and use the EOC or the portal questions. So, EOC questions and the portal questions are same. Okay. So, there are some extra questions on the portal, but most of the more or less the questions are same. So use portal as your testing material. Use those as chapter wise mocks. I will also provide chapter wise mocks, but use those as your primary chapter wise mocks. And don't use those questions, the study portal questions, as practice questions. This is my recommendation. Again, you have to take this call. And as I said, don't solve 100 questions. It is wastage of time if you spend like solve 100 of question for so basic chapters. Most of the chapters are very basic. Then you are wasting your time, in my opinion. So go with the 2025, solve mock test like the topic wise quiz which is available on the study portal, and then if you score low, then practice additional questions. If you are scoring high there, then you can directly move on to the next chapter. This is very simple recommendation. What to do if you are facing problem with the concepts, if you are not getting grip of the concepts, then the recommendation is very simple. Spend some more time, read some detailed notes. Again, this is for the self-study students. If you are taking video classes, then you can ask me. I will help you with the questions or the concepts, whatever is there. Now, what to expect from this subject in the examination? As I said in the beginning itself, directly or indirectly, you can expect direct testing. That is, if you understand the concept, you will be able to solve questions in the examination. As simple as that. This subject is not like the ethics. Like, even if you understand the concept, you will face problem in the examination. So there's a problem with the ethics subject. But this subject is not like this. Understand concept or understanding concept and ability to solve basic questions is more than enough, or this is what is required for this specific subject. Now, what to do with the remaining subject remaining chapters here? So you can prepare these chapters afterwards after you finish 2 or 3 subjects, but again my recommendation would be to finish this subject as soon as possible. Whenever you think is this soon for you, prepare or finish this subject. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video. If you have any specific query regarding this subject, then definitely feel free to ask me on the comment section or on my WhatsApp line. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.